The OrCam device connects and disconnects from your glasses frame using magnet connectors located on the device and on the glasses mount. You will find a pre-mounted glasses frame in the delivery box. For the mount assembly on your glasses frame, you will require your glasses frame, your OrCam device, preferably powered off, the partially assembled plastic mount, a pair of scissors which are provided in the delivery box. Remove the white tab from the back of the mount. Slide the mount over the frame's arm, with the magnets facing outwards and the strap facing upwards. Position the mount on the glasses arm at a distance from the hinge that is about the width of your pointing finger. Now press the mount onto the arm, making sure it is parallel to the arm. While holding the mount in position, pull the straps tightly upwards so that the mount is secured. Now carefully cut off the remains of the straps protruding above the mount with the small scissors. Verify the mount is positioned correctly and attach the device to the mount. Ensure the device is parallel to the arm of the glasses frame with the camera view straight forward and that it is aligned with the front of your glasses. The OrCam device can now snap into place. The glasses frame can be folded with the mount attached. Note, if you are placing the mount on the left arm of the glasses, the mount straps need to be facing down. We recommend using thicker frames to better support the device. Please avoid thin wire frames.